a huge gap between professionals and students in the music industry.
Substantial Sound aims to provide an extremely low-cost service to juniors and seniors in high school.
In the future, college students will also have the access to programs provided by Substantial Sound as a way to gain transferable credits.
Also available in the future, Substantial Sound will be open to the public as a place for local musicians to work with students in the program so that every person involved has an opportunity for personal advancement.
No matter the age, Substantial Sound will provide an academic yet professional atmosphere geared towards advancement of peoples from all levels of expertise.
Because Substantial Sound is a nonprofit business, the benefit towards students and education in general is exponential.
Substantial Sound is completely different than other competitors in the market who offer only a certificate program for around $14,000 and do not intend to reach a younger audience that has a desire to learn the recording art.
Substantial Sound will be sold in increments of $5 per hour based upon the subject of the class.
After conducting a survey, many instructors thought that Substantial Sound was a wonderful idea and a great way to keep students involved in extracurricular activities.
Organizationally, Substantial Sound is feasible. All members are somewhat passionate about the idea with a high average of creativity and moderate experience in financial affairs.
Resources are extremely likely to be available to Substantial Sound, with the exception of those items that are not applicable to the service.
Despite the issue of funding startup costs, this is a great product and idea. It will take months to get the correct players on board, but Substantial Sound is feasible. So,
will you invest in Substantial Sound?
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 Will you invest in Substantial Sound?